what's up, Sam here. Welcome to Geekbuying channel, and today we are very happy to have Jen here. Jen, will you say something?
Hello everyone.
She's the manager of the 3D printer and the laser engraver. So if you want some samples from Geekbuying, you know who to ask her, right? So anyway, without further ado, let's get started. Today we are talking about the ORTUR Laser Master 3, and this is a new product. Let's get started. Shall we, Jen?
Yes, of
Okay,
course.
sure. All right, so we open the box. We have an English menu here, and then we have the toolbox, like Allen keys, screws, those. Moving on. Okay, so right, that's all the stuff you can get from the box. All of this. Next, let's assemble it. Yes, that's right. Okay, now before we install the laser head, we have to install the yellow shield and also the nozzle. When we install the shield tightly, you will hear click, and then we use the screw to fix it. Alright, now we finally installed. First we turn on the emergency stop. We have to keep the child lock on. It's already on. Hold it down. Okay, that's it. Nice and smooth. Great, great. Yes. So we are going to test everything about it. So if you are interested in this or you have any questions, just leave them below. We will test that. And if you want this test, you can contact Jen. All right, so
don't contact me.
So thanks for watching. See you guys next one. Bye bye.